The equities market resumed trading activities on a negative note as NSE-ASI records 0.01% loss amid decreased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed negative. Its year-to-date returns currently stands at minus 9.56%. Welcome to the Market Opening Gong, the program that gives you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Thursday, July 9, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 24,276.56 basis points with a market capitalization of 12.664 trillion naira in 3,833 deals. At the close of trading for the day, investors lost 786.76 million naira as market recorded 10 gainers to 15 losers. Law Union and Brock, Honeywell Flour Mill and Sterling Bank were top gainers for equity, while Cornell, Abico and Vitafoam Nigeria were among the top losers. Fidelity Bank, Guaranty Trust Bank and Zenith Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the FMBQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.74 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 387 naira 58 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 386 naira 96 kobo to a dollar and closed at 386 naira 50 kobo to a dollar, which shows a decline in performance. For the NASD OTC, the NSI closed at 709.22 basis points with a market capitalization of 520.97 billion. The volume of shares traded was 71,448 and 1.39 million in terms of value traded in 7 deals executed for the day. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard displaying on the screen. For the highlights from yesterday, the Board of Flour Mills of Nigeria notified the exchange it will meet in Lagos on the 29th of July 2020 to consider, among other things, the company's audited financial statements for the year ended 31st March 2020. During the meeting, issues relating to dividend declaration may be considered. In accordance with the NSE rulebook, the closed period for the trading in the shares of the company will commence on 13th July 2020 in respect of the year end. Today, we conclude our Millennial Investment series with Mrs. Tomi Balogun as she speaks on some strategies that should be adopted by major exchanges in Nigeria to boost millennial participation.
They need to understand how millennials think. Right? They need to understand that, look, they live in the present and they need to build products. They need to talk to them and build financial products that will help them achieve their goals, right? Very important. We also need regulation. Now, the reason why a lot of millennials or young or anybody fall into the scams, I mean, we all know about MMM and co, is because they don't know the correct way to invest, okay? They don't know that investing is a long-term process. They just think that, I want to put money and make 100%. I want to make 500%.
Instantly.
Right? They don't really think about delayed gratification. So that's also very important, right? You need to understand all of these things. So there's a gap with products, there's a gap with education, and there's also the gap with regulation. So those 3 core areas, once I am working on education, which is my major focus area, education and bridging access as well. So if they can bridge those gaps, work with people like us that are already in that industry and even, have more reach, because most of us, we are only able to reach those that are on social media. What about those that are not? We don't have access to that. So that's the opportunity.
And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms showing on the screen for further updates on our market reports. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and keep staying safe.